What's up guys, Cody here with Sonic Electronics. We're at the Rockford booth at SEMA 2024. We're taking a look at what they have to offer for the 17 and up Can-Am X3. We've got Mark from Rockford Fosgate with us. Mark, if you wouldn't mind just walking us through kind of what the different stages are that you have for the Can-Am X3 and what you have to offer within those stages.
Yep, so this is the Can-Am X3 Stage 6. It comes with M2 speakers, M2 8-inch speakers in the rear, and two M2 10-inch subwoofers, along with a PMX3 and a 1500 watt amplifier. From there you can drop down to a Stage 5. It's all the same equipment except you get 6.5-inch rear cans in the back. Then you can drop down to a Stage 4 where you get an 800 watt amplifier and M1 series speakers with the M1 series 6.5-inch rears. And then the Stage 3 is the subwoofer, the M1 front speakers, the 800 watt amplifier, and the radio. Stage 2 is just a radio, 2 speakers, and Stage 1 is a radio and 1 speaker. This works in 2-seat and 4-seat Can-Am X3. If you do have a 4-seat, you are able to add the rear subwoofer solution under the rear seats. This will work with Stage 3, 4, 5, and 6. It plugs in, comes with its own amplifier, plug-and-play wire harnessing, and subwoofer enclosures preloaded that just mount under the rear seats.
Nice. So if you've got the Stage 6 and you want to add just a little bit extra in that 4-seater, you can go with the X13 Max.
Yep.
RSS.
Yes.
Awesome. We appreciate it, Mark.
Yep, no
Thanks
problem,
you guys. Be sure to check out for more information on Rockford Fosgate's site. Hop on over to sonicelectronics.com to pick up some really cool gear we showed here. And we'll see you guys in the next one.